Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm back with another wig from ebonyline.com. They were nice enough to send me something a little out of my comfort zone. Yes, today we're going to be trying Miss KAYCEE from Outre's Color Bomb wig line. Yo, I've been so excited to try one of the wigs from this line, and I don't think we're going to regret this one. As you can see, I'm trying this gorgeous green color. So if you want to see how it comes out, what it looks like, all the details about this wig and where you can find it too, you know exactly what to do. Make sure you keep watching. This is a wig from the Outre Color Bomb wig series. It's a synthetic HD lace front wig, and it comes in 24 inches, and it is a kind of straight texture to it. It is heat resistant, and it also comes in the color emerald green. This is more like a T-part lace wig, as you can see. So even though you might not be able to stretch it all the way out or get your side parts or combing all the way back, it does come with ear-to-ear lace in the front for that frontal effect. And as you can see with the stitching, it's pretty lightweight. Just off of my first impression, I like how it lays on the hair. Of course, you know I'm going to pluck it and bump it off camera, but I just want to comb through it and see if I get any tangles or snags off of the first wear out of the pack. I'm going to do a little more tweaking to this wig off camera, and then we can start the install. And here it is, guys. For my first time wearing green hair, I gotta say, I'm glad it was a Outre Color Bomb wig. Just the way that it's laying, the way that the lace is flat and thin, and even the baby hairs not being too long or intimidating makes me all the more happy and excited about this wig install and the results of this look. The camera doesn't know justice. I don't know if you can see all of the greens and blues throughout this hair, but that makes it so much more vibrant in the light, especially natural sunlight. You are going to have to keep your brush close for this one because it is a synthetic wig. But other than that, I have no complaints so far. I think this one is definitely a keeper for the summer. It gives us a little variety, and I think it's the perfect look for the summer. If I had to pick my favorite part about this wig, aside from the lace being nice and, you know, thin and transparent, I would definitely say the color does it for me because it's so vibrant. I think in different light, it picks up different parts of the green, but overall, I think it just looks really, really good. Despite it being a T-part lace wig and me not being able to, you know, flip it over because I don't want to expose the tracks, it's nice, it's sleek. And I just think it's a really pretty color for the summer. So if you're looking to try something out of your comfort zone, you want something that's beginner friendly, that's not going to require too much effort to install, I would go ahead and add this one to the shopping cart. Once again, a huge thank you and shout out to ebonyline.com for being kind enough to send me this wig to give it a try. But here's where we get real. You know, I got to keep it 100 with you, and you got to meet me in the comments to let me know what you think of this wig and this color. Would you try it or would you stick to the basics? Let me know, and thank you guys for always clicking play and supporting my channel. I will meet you same place next time. Peace out.